When a plunger cannot clear a stubborn toilet clog, a closet auger uses a flexible steel cable and a hooked tip to reach through the trap and break or pull out the blockage. A closet auger has three key parts: a protective tube to shield the porcelain, a flexible cable, and a crank handle attached to a bulb or corkscrew tip. To use it, angle the protective tube into the toilet bowl so it rests in the outlet of the trap, then gently feed the cable forward while keeping the tube pressed against the porcelain to avoid scratches. Crank the handle slowly clockwise while advancing the cable, which helps the tip snake through bends and bite into paper, waste, or small foreign objects. If the cable stops, do not force it. Pull back a few inches, crank again, and try to advance in short increments until you feel the obstruction give. Once you feel movement or the clog releases, retract the cable while cranking to avoid leaving debris behind. Then flush and watch for a strong siphon that clears the bowl quickly. If the flush remains weak, run the auger a second time and finish by pouring a bucket of hot water into the bowl to confirm flow through the trap. 3 common mistakes get people stuck. First, pushing hard without using the crank can kink the cable or chip the porcelain. Let the cable do the work by cranking smoothly while applying light forward pressure. Second, starting with the cable tip outside the protective tube can scratch the bowl. Always begin with the tip inside the tube and keep the tube seated at the trap opening. Third, stopping after one partial clear leaves residue that reclogs later. Run the auger until the cable rotates freely, retract fully, flush twice, and follow with a bucket test to ensure the trapway is clean. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier to find nearby contractors who handle toilet clogs and other plumbing issues, and to help contractors connect with homeowners looking for work. We also host a discussion community where people share practical fix-it tips, compare tools like closet augers, and learn from each other's experiences.